How to save video on Kinemaster. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Kinemaster, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily save the video on Kinemaster. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. Now if you open up Kinemaster and if you edited a video and now you have no idea how you can save it, what you can do is you can simply see the particular save icon at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find it right here. So you can see here, you want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see you can choose the resolution here and you can choose the frame rate. And once you choose the resolution and frame rate, you can easily tap on save video and you'll be able to save it to your device. So this is how you can easily save the video on Kinemaster. If you wish to upload it, you can tap on upload button at the top right corner of your screen. You can tap on it and you'll be able to upload it as well. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.